And now, your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, we've had a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms on live Doppler 18, not only last night, but today as well. But most of those showers have moved off to the northeast or dissipated, though we got a little shower north of Crawfordsville, one here just south of Monticello, and another here in southern Miami County, but nothing big out there for right now. But the beginnings of that widespread rain and storm event are evolving now. The first impulse is moving into central Illinois, and that's ignited a line, a bow echo here of severe storms. And very unusual, very strong early May wind fields up in the atmosphere are moving across central Illinois, blowing out of the southwest very strongly, whereas here at the ground, winds are out of the south and the southeast. So there's a little bit of wind turning with height, so I can't rule out an isolated tornado this evening as this moves through, but by and large, this will be a damaging straight line wind threat as this moves through the area, and I think it's going to be near the state line, probably near 7 o'clock, and in the Lafayette corridor, closer to 7:30 and points thereafter. So we're going to track that for you, and I do think some sort of tornado watch, maybe severe thunderstorm watch, will go up for our area here within the hour. Let's broaden out, look at this regionally, though. There's that severe bow blowing up right there today. Again, a lot of severe weather to our west this afternoon. This will pass through this evening with a severe weather threat, but notice what's happening down here in southwest Missouri. This is the next little impulse that will pivot northeastward, bring more rain and storms overnight, possibly some severe weather, and the potential of some flash flooding rains. I do think there's the potential of some pretty heavy rainfall during the overnight over parts of our area, and yet another impulse will bring another round of rain and storms by tomorrow morning. So let's track it with Futurecast to get a bit of a break early in the overnight, but here's the next impulse that will move through overnight. The storms may train for a while, so some of you could get over 2 inches of rain. Then the next impulse will pivot up through during the mid-morning hours, but I think right around midday, a lot of this is going to start to pull away, and we'll actually see a drying evening for tomorrow as winds switch to the west and the southwest and drier air works its way in. And then a couple of thunderstorms may pivot in from the northwest on Friday, but nothing like we're going to see here over about the next 18 hours. So 68 shower storms, some heavy, some severe. We've got 2 rounds to get through for the overnight. Tomorrow, 81 for the high temperature. Rain and storms tapering off, especially after the midday hour. And then I just noticed it appears to have a tornado watch in effect, just issued. We just talked about that, 8 p.m. Eastern. Let's see, I'm just reading off the top of my head. New tornado watch, we'll have more on that coming up. I'm just kind of reading the new text off the printout. And also cooler weather by the weekend. Notice those highs only in the upper 70s. I want to thank Wally, our producer, told me in my ear we've got a new watch, and I just got a new printout.
Benton, Newton, and Jasper counties, and you said that was till 8 p.m.?
I have to check. I have to check that out.